and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we have a guest host, Travis.
What's up, y'all?
And he will be reviewing the Bug. This will be the first time he's rode in one, and he will give us his review on it. And now we've got it, the interior all finished and it's ready to go.
What's a Bug?
Yellow and white. The glass is original. The body panels are mostly original.
Oh, type it.
I have a bandana thing in the back that I custom made. Volkswagen logo.
Yeah,
Sunflower logo.
with the Volkswagen in the center of the sunflower.
This is the other side of the bud. These are new.
Of course there's in there.
Everything's pretty much new. Those are new. Steering wheel's new. They match the window cranks. Now we're coming up to the front of the Bug. They've also got new bumpers.
Whoa.
And then in the hood.
No, the hood's not. I got stuff in the hood. Don't look in the hood.
Okay.
I'll have sunflower.
Well,
So the car has a very nice interior. It's black and yellow. Simple as that. A few sunflowers here and there. So it's very nice and it all matches perfectly. I mean, for a person my size, a little cramped, but you know what? It'll do. It's a very Destiny-sized vehicle.
yeah.
It's perfect for her, so.
Yeah, how's the horn?
Oh, look, it's got to turn off.
So how's the horn?
Well, let's find out.
It's almost as good as a muffler.
Oh yeah.
Or the exhaust
Absolutely.
without a muffler.
Yeah. Sounds pretty nice. She purrs.
Do you know how to drive a stick shift?
Absolutely not.
How fast do you think this thing goes?
Top speed probably, give it 90.
60.
Really?
I've never pushed it past 60.
It might blow.
Yeah, that little motor that can't go past 60, so that's why we normally don't take it on the highway.
Yeah, I can see why. I don't know why the chicken crossed the road.
You need
Why?
to come over here and
Let's
let
get to
me
the
do
other
it.
side.
I didn't know that.
So this is the engine bay.
Whoa.
We painted the back, I don't know what you would call it, but it's yellow. It used to be black.
Dad had to take out the motor and change the
Put the
alternator.
new seals in it.
Also to change the
And we
alternator.
changed the alternator, we changed the generator to an alternator.
So it would run a whole lot better.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't know that, did you?
No. I just found that out in like 2 seconds.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that
Pretty freaking awesome.
is. It is. Made it to the gas station. Destiny's filling up gas. It should stop automatically. Leaving the gas station.
Oh, I gotta go around this way.
that off the clutch a little bit. Too much. No.
Well, that's it for today's video. And how do you enjoy riding in it?
I liked it.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next episode. Bye!